DJI just dropped a teaser, and I think this is about to change the entire drone game completely. A 360 camera on an FPV drone. Let's talk about it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tic Tac Toe Labs. So I saw this teaser from DJI online, and DJI is getting ready to launch its latest DJI Avata 360 after the stunning teaser video they released on March the 2nd, combined with the many rumors circulating online about the drone's specs. I can't help but think that this footage may actually have been filmed with the new drone itself. Let me just break it down to you. First thing that blew me away was the image quality. The footage looks incredibly detailed and sharp, even at night. The low light performance is clear and bright, which tells me that the sensor on this thing is no joke. There were rumors about 8K 60 FPS HDR video on an FPV drone, which sounded pretty wild, and now DJI has confirmed that the DJI Avata 360 is an 8K flagship 360 degrees drone. And suddenly, everything starts to make sense. Next, it looks like there are two shooting modes, a 360 and single lens mode. You've got a single lens flat mode for FPV footage and a full 360 panoramic mode. You basically get two drones in one, no complex stitching needed. For content creators, yes, this is a game changer. And then there's the safety aspect. Some clips show the drone flying really close to people, which means the integrated propeller guard is doing its job. If you've ever been nervous about flying FPV near anyone, this design takes away a whole lot of that anxiety. Now comes the kicker. From what I've been seeing online, the starting price could be around 489 USD. So if DJI really comes in that price with this kind of specs, that is seriously aggressive. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into FPV or an experienced pilot wanting 360 capabilities, this is the one to watch. One more thing worth mentioning, stay tuned for DJI's official launch. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you've enjoyed it, hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Until the next time, see ya and bye!